send a hopeful message and let it rise upon the wind, and let it tell my lonely sisters who are lost and want a choice. Baby, if you look inside and listen, you can find your voice. I was locked inside a prison that I built inside my mind, built up by the tools that I was given when I found the world unkind. And as I looked upon those walls I built out of doubt and fear and noise, I began to fear the worst and wondered, have I lost my voice? But then I heard a voice call out as I sat alone, and that voice I heard call out, it was my own. If no built up the walls that stood oppressively, could I tear them down by saying yes to me? As I looked upon the locked doors that I built inside my mind, knowing that I had the keys to freedom and the choice to leave was mine, I could stay inside the walls there safe, but trapped inside by choice. So I asked myself this very question: could I find my voice? And my family faith in music pulled me along, and through them I would discover my own song. Instead of looking back at what could not be, I can focus on the present right in front of me. And from my fears and all my trauma, I turned away. I escaped from the dysfunction and the pain, and I focused on this new life of discovery, where I can be myself, free and authentically. As I focus on this new life that I've chosen for myself, never giving up, thinking, creating, not living life upon a shelf. I'm grateful for my transformation. I'll sing and I'll rejoice in spite of everything that I have been through. I have found my voice. If I, like a phoenix, could spread my wings and fly again, maybe I could send a hopeful message and let it ride upon the wind, and tell all my in spite of everything that I was missing.